62 degrees Columbia, 63 in Sumter and in Orangeburg. And I was wrong about Tut Tut. It looks like rain. That was Christopher, Robin, and Pooh, not Eeyore. But it does sound like something Eeyore would think and or say, because it is kind of gray outside. We have a little bit of rain visibility. About 3 miles in Columbia. That could slow you down just a touch. Here's our current setup. We do have this cold front. This is going to be the reinforcing shot of some colder air. It's going to be moving in. You'll notice a difference in particular tomorrow and as we go through the rest of the work week, because it's going to be a bit breezy and it's going to be noticeably colder. We'll zoom in here a little closer. Shower activity moving through parts of the Midlands. Eastern parts do have some heavier rain in the upstate of South Carolina, but as we do push through the rest of your Wednesday, these rain chances will gradually decrease. A few isolated showers can't be ruled out this afternoon, but as we get later into this evening and tonight, that colder, drier air does start to spill in. Those winds will start to pick up, in particular after 7 o'clock tonight. Do have a lake wind advisory from 7 tonight until 7 tomorrow, because we do expect these winds to be pretty strong at times. So winds will increase, helping bring down that much colder air. And so even with high temperatures in the mid-50s, with these winds out of the west, anywhere from 15 to 25 miles per hour, it will feel a little bit cooler. High temperatures today in the lower 70s. Tomorrow, big difference with highs in the middle 50s, mid-50s on Friday. Morning lows on Friday, probably in the mid-30s, but it still will be breezy, so it'll probably feel more like the low 30s. So it's going to feel pretty cold, and it's going to be pretty cold Saturday and Sunday mornings. Could have a frost and or light freeze. Gradually, temperatures do rebound back into the upper 60s, low 70s.